Hey babes, and welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you guys, because it's Saturday, so I hope everybody had a great wonderful work week. I am ecstatic because I have a 1 week off because it's spring break where I'm at, so no work next week, which is awesome. So anywho, here, thank you for watching. If you're returning, welcome back. Don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and the bell. Right into it. So this video is gonna be about something that you may already heard of, you may have not heard of, but this is really for my people who's looking to probably establish credit, build credit, or whatever. Now, let me say this, and I am going to put a disclaimer on the bottom. I do not claim to be anybody's professional anybody professional credit repair person. That is not me. I do not claim to be that. So I'm just speaking on something that I know that works because I have used it not once but twice, so I know it works. Self-lenders, and like again, this is basically for people who needs to establish some type of credit, or people that have messed up their credit and looking to rebuild credit, because you can't just get a credit card right now, but you need to do something to work on it to fix it. Self-lenders, it works. Now, am I going to tell you that you're going to sign up for self-lenders and in 3 months your credit score is going to increase by 200 points? No. Keep in mind, everybody is different. Everybody's credit report, it looks different already. So mine's may go up by 90 points in 3 months. Yours may go up by 60 points. Again, we're two different people. Our credit looks totally different. So I'm not gonna say that's because I see some people be saying like, oh, that's a ripoff, my credit score didn't go up that much. Keep in mind, it's not gonna work like that. So with self-lenders, how it works, you get to pick. So it's like 4 different payment plans that you could pick from monthly. So it's like $25 for 24 months. I'm just looking at my paper because I can't remember. At $35. And then you can do like a 12-month plan, and then there's like 2 12-month plans. The 12-month plans that I did each time was the $48 one, and you get back like $534, $37 at the end of your. So, and another good benefit about that is it's also saving. So basically the monthly payments that you're making, not only is it reporting to all 3 credit bureaus, it's saving because you're going to get money back. And then when you make 3 on-time payments, you're then eligible to get their secured credit card through them. And the good thing about that, the reason why it has to be 3 on-time payments, because at that point you'll have over $80 saved, and you can take it from out that money that you have already saved. Like, you don't have to put extra money down like with other secure credit cards. You gotta put, no, it's just gonna take it out of the money you already have there. So keep in mind that if you do that at the end of your loan, you won't get that much back, because remember, you took from it to get the credit card. I never gotten the credit card through them. It was no particular reason, I just didn't get it either time I used it. But like I said, it's legit, it works. They have customer service support if you need it. I literally got done with it waited like a month. I didn't have to wait a month, but I just chose to wait a month, no particular reason. And I went back and did it for another 12 months. Did it back to back. Each time my credit score went up. And the first time it went up like a lot within like the first few months. The second time it was like slowly going up, but not as fast. But that's okay because it still went up. So once it's done, as you're getting like, and they send you like emails and stuff like, oh, good job, keep it up, you know, your credit score is improving. When you open up the login, you can download the app or just use the regular web browser. It'll have a display of what your credit score is, showing that it's going up, what your started score was, all that good stuff. So again, this is mostly for my people who have no credit or looking to build their credit, need to start over, and just having trouble getting a credit card from anybody. This is a good way to go about it. Again, I am no credit repair person, not claiming to be one. I'm just speaking facts on what I know that works, which is Self-Lenders, because I used it for myself. I used it twice. I would not be making this video if I did not know if it worked or not. Again, keep in mind, you could not be like, oh my gosh, my friend used it and her credit score went up by 150 points in 4 months and mine's only went up by like 65 points. Two different people. Everybody's different. So as long as you see your credit score going up, you're making those on-time payments, then you're good. And of course, you can pay the loan off early if you want to, or you can just stick with it for that time frame that you pick. $25 not bad at all, because at the end of the day, it's just like a little savings. So no, it's not going to be a lot of money back that you get back in 24 months, but it's only $25 plan. So that's just a little gem that I wanted to drop because I think it was helpful. Definitely do your own research. I always say do your own research. Don't just take other people's word. I'm not just telling y'all anything, but still, we as adults need to start learning to do our own research. I've noticed that about adult people. Adult people do not like to do research on their own. They like to say, well, that's what they said. Okay, cool. That's what they say. And it may be 100% true. But you need to go do your own research. Read. That's why we are blessed with a brain and it's working. Put it to use and read. And go do your own research. So just go to Google, put in Self-Lenders, go to selflenders.com or whatever, find it, read about it, call them. They got customer service, great customer service people. So read about it. Yeah. And y'all, real quick before I let y'all go, y'all see I tried something new with the hair. It's a little bang, not the bang. Whoa, oh. So yeah, I kind of like it and then I kind of don't. It's kind of, I mean, in a way, it's kind of giving what it's supposed to give, and it's not. But, you know, I haven't had bangs since I was like, I'm kind of liking it. I'm loving the color. Kind of liking the little bangs. Like flat on my face, so. Okay, but anyways, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you on the next video.